electric elements to maintain the exact temperature, ensuring uniform consistency downstream.
Every marble is checked. High-speed cameras scan for defects. Air jets reject any with cracks or bubbles. Only the perfect ones pass.
Inside this advanced facility, an optical sorter examines every marble. Computer-controlled air jets fire with perfect timing. They separate different colors with machine. As the AGVs deliver the pallets, the team ensures every marble crate is secured before the wrapping process begins.
Manifest confirms the count. Send the next pallet. Watch your clearance on the left. Keep the roller moving. We need this truck out by 3. It looks like the 495 route is clear right now.
Okay, confirm the load for the site in Sector 5 and print the revised manifest.
Look at these cat's eyes. Those are the ones we needed.
Yes, grab that bag right there. They are beautiful. Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping at our store.
Pumps move the water through settling tanks and microfilters, allowing clean water to return to the production lines in a continuous cycle.
The temperature in heat exchanger C is holding steady at 400 degrees. Excellent. The preheating is optimizing our energy consumption perfectly.
Sequence complete. All systems show verified shutdown. Confirmed. Documenting in the log now. Initiating reset. Engineering, we've optimized the cutting speed. We're showing a 20% increase in throughput already.
The L-star value is holding steady at 25.
Good, document that and check the chroma saturation.
We have clearance for the blue ABS. Start the pneumatic transfer to Silo 7.
Roger that. Transferring now.
The specialized injection molds create the two-sided cube edges. The production flow is meticulously balanced as
We need more red cubes on line 3. Bringing a tray now.
That snapped right into place. And the alignment is perfect. See the gap here?
Rates. As the top layer edges are installed, male workers carefully fit each piece, ensuring correct orientation for the final
smooth rotation right there. Yeah. Perfect, send it down the line.
The torque deviation on this batch is slightly elevated.
Yes, but it's still within acceptable parameters after the stress test.
The robotic arms place cases in stable, alternating patterns. The pallets are then wrapped on stretch film while
Okay, easy back now. Watch the clearance on the right.
Manifest confirms pallet 7. We're clear for the next load.
And here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you.
The waste plastic is ground into small flakes, then thoroughly washed and dried before being blended with virgin pellets for reuse.
Now try assembling the core using the fixture. Ensure the screws are tightened evenly.
Like this?
Almost. Check the alignment criteria on the chart first.
Warning, molding temperature variance detected.
Understood. Rerouting coolant now. Stand by for confirmation.
Testing machines rotate cubes through thousands of cycles measuring performance. Torque meters verify turning smoothness. Drop tests evaluate product durability.
HVAC systems maintain consistent temperature and humidity throughout the facility. Environmental parameters are monitored.
Did you check the consistency on these?
Yes, they look good. We can move them to storage now.
The temperature is holding steady at 150 Celsius. Good. Maintain the speed for another 2 minutes before the drop.
The rebound consistency is fluctuating on Sector C.
Yes, but still within tolerance levels for now.
Covered tennis balls move through heated pressing stations where the felt is permanently bonded as pressure rollers apply force.
That's a clean rebound, right within the acceptable range.
Yeah, the height variation is negligible on this lot.
We need 3 more pallets for the California truck. Keep the line moving.
All right, here is your receipt. Have a great day.
You too. Watch the clearance on the left side. Okay, bring it down slowly. Lot number 42 Alpha, clear. We need the 30 millimeter specification from this row.
Confirmed. I'll log it in the system now.
Selected glass tubes are washed in automated cleaning systems. They pass through wash baths and rinse stations before compressed air dries them for inspection. The glass is heated intensely at the bend point. The bend is made quickly and accurately. The sharp corners are inspected for precise angles.
Each complex neon sign begins with a precise bend, following detailed design patterns.
This one passes the caliper test. But look here. It has a crack. Ah, yes. Good catch.
The completed glass tube assemblies are connected to the vacuum system. They are then heated to drive off moisture.
Temperature is stable at 150 Celsius. And the timer shows we have 2 hours remaining on this batch.
There's a slight variation right here. See the flicker?
Yep, the uniformity is unacceptable. I'm tagging this one for rejection.
See that flicker on the lower right section? The current draw is slightly high. I'll make the adjustment now. Much better. The color is uniform across the board.
See the inconsistency on the letter N?
Yeah, adjusting the connection now. Okay, voltage is stable.
Looks good. Documenting the fix?
The brackets are secure. How are the connections looking?
Everything is tight and verified. It's ready for shipment.
All quality checks passed. The certificate is ready.
Verified the specifications. Attaching the documentation now.
Okay, verify the product ID against the manifest. Confirmed, this one is ready for shipment. Straps are tight, padding is set. Just need your signature right here, then we're good to go. Looks perfect. Thanks, Maria.
Power stabilized at 12 volts. Hardware is organized and ready for mounting.
Align the left side. Is the level reading 0? Yeah, we're good. Start tightening the hardware.
Check the transformer output. Reading low on the secondary. Okay, adjusting the potentiometer now. How's that look? Better, right within the spec.
The color match is exact on the spectrometer.
Confirmed. Documenting the phosphor coating and pressure settings now.
And there we have it, another one saved. Yeah. Looks great. I'll take the final shots now.
The curve here seems a bit too tight compared to the digital model.
We can adjust the template slightly for the next iteration.
Adjust the schedule for the cityscape order, quality flag the last batch. Noted. I'll update the system.
Bending machine 4 is showing a calibration error.
Look at the craftsmanship on that Lotus sign. The detail is incredible.
It's stunning. I love the way the magenta glows against the dark wall.
As you can see, the sign offers incredible versatility. We can adjust the brightness, and with a simple tap here, we can cycle through the color options.
If we smooth this curve here, it will look better when lit.
Good point. Let me adjust that before we send it to production.
The voltage is stable and all tubes are secure. Looks perfect. Let's get this signed off for delivery.